Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most insightful and detailed forms of research, case study research. It's a method that allows researchers to dig deep into specific examples to uncover new insights. Let's dive in. So what exactly is case study research? A case study is a qualitative research method that involves an in-depth investigation of a particular case, whether that's a person, a group, an organization, or an event. This type of research is all about gaining deep insights into one specific instance, rather than looking at broad trends. So when should we use case study research? Case studies are perfect when you want to deeply explore a situation, event, or group that stands out. Maybe there's something unique or unusual about it, or perhaps it can help you understand a broader issue by looking closely at one example. For example, a case study could explore how one school successfully implemented a new educational program, digging into the details of how they did it and why it worked. Now let's dive into some types of case studies. First, we have the intrinsic case study. This type is used when the case itself is of primary interest because it's unique, special, or unusual. The goal is to understand the case deeply, not to generalize or develop a broader theory. For example, a researcher might study a school that operates entirely outdoors to understand how this unique setup influences teaching and learning. The focus is on that particular school and its distinct environment. In short, intrinsic case studies focus on cases that are special or stand out, allowing the researcher to explore the case in great detail. Next, we have the instrumental case study. In this type, the case is not the main focus. Instead, the researcher uses the case as a tool to explore a broader issue or theory. The case helps shed light on something larger than itself. For example, a researcher might study a school that improved graduation rates to understand how community involvement influences student success. The focus isn't just on the school, but on how its experience can inform broader educational practices. Instrumental case studies are used to explore larger concepts or issues by using the case as a way to gather insights. Finally, we have the collective case study, also known as a multiple case study. In this type, researchers study multiple cases to gain a broader understanding of a phenomenon. The goal is to compare the cases to see patterns or variations. For example, a researcher might study several schools that implemented the same educational reform. By comparing how the reform worked in different settings, the researcher can identify common themes and see what factors contributed to success or failure. Collective case studies help researchers understand broader trends by looking at multiple cases side by side. Let's recap. We have three main types of case studies. Intrinsic case study, focused on understanding a unique or unusual case for its own sake. Instrumental case study, where the case is used to provide insight into a broader issue or theory. Collective case study, where multiple cases are studied to identify patterns or differences and gain a broader understanding. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more research tips and insights. See you next time.